Today we're taking a deep dive into the Blackview Tab 16, a budget-friendly Android tablet that pleasantly surprises with its mix of performance, features, and value. Let's see why this is a hidden gem worth considering. The Blackview Tab 16 boasts a sleek, modern design. It feels sturdy despite its budget price. The real star here is the massive 11-inch display. It's a 2K IPS panel that gets surprisingly bright and offers vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, scrolling social media, or browsing the web, this screen makes everything pop. Under the hood, the Tab 16 packs a punch. It runs on a Unisoc T616 processor and comes with a generous 8GB of RAM. What does this mean for you? Snappy everyday performance, smooth multitasking, and even the ability to handle some light gaming. It runs a near-stock version of Android 12, providing a clean, bloatware-free experience. The Tab 16 absolutely blew me away with its speakers. It has quad speakers that deliver surprisingly rich and loud audio. Movies, music, and games truly sound immersive. And fueling it all is a massive 7,680 mAh battery that easily gets you through a full day of heavy use. The Blackview Tab 16 includes some welcome extras. It has expandable storage, which is incredibly useful, and it even supports dual 4G LTE for connectivity on the go. And let's not forget the included stylus for sketching or note-taking. So, who is the Blackview Tab 16 for? If you need a large, capable tablet for media consumption, light productivity, and everyday tasks without breaking the bank, this is absolutely worth checking out. The combination of features, performance, and price makes this one of the best value tablets out there. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Let me know if you've tried the Blackview Tab 16 or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.